I've got 7 side hustles that have the potential to completely replace your day job. Yes, you heard that right. You can say goodbye to that 9-to-5 grind and hello to some extra cash in your pocket. And you don't need a fancy college degree to get started. In fact, I believe that these side hustles have the potential to pay you much more than your current day job. First on the list is a side gig that will make you question why you're stuck at a 9-to-5. Did you know that you can make a solid income as a real estate bird dog? It's true. A bird dog is someone who scouts out investment properties by searching online or cruising around neighborhoods. The goal is to find houses in need of a lot of work that could be great flip opportunities. Once you've found a few prospects, you present them to real estate investors who will pay you a flat fee or percentage of the deal. Investors usually pay between $500 to $1,000 per deal. So let's say you found 3 properties in one day and all turned into deals. That's $1,500 to $3,000 in one day for just a few hours of work. And the best part is, you don't need a real estate license or any money to get started. Finding these types of properties is easier than you think. Foreclosures, absentee owner homes, short sales, MLS listings, and even online ads are all public record, so they're easily accessible online or at your local courthouse. You can also scope out Craigslist, local marketplaces, and auctions. The key is to keep an eye out for distressed or vacant homes in your neighborhood. And don't worry, being a bird dog is completely legal since you're only being paid a finder's fee, not actually involved in the selling of the property. So who do you give these properties to earn your money, you might ask? Well, real estate investors, wholesalers, or those who buy and hold properties as long-term investments are all potential buyers. And you can find these people in a variety of different ways. First, you can go to local real estate meetups or join real estate clubs. This is your opportunity to showcase yourself and let others know what you bring to the table. Investors are always on the lookout for new sources to help them find the next big deal. But what if you can't attend in-person events? That's totally fine. The digital world has opened up numerous opportunities for us. You can now easily connect with real estate investors on social media platforms like Facebook groups or LinkedIn. Your aim should be to create a robust list of potential investors that you can reach out to and offer them the property deals you uncover. This way, even if one investor isn't interested in a particular property, you've got a whole list of other potential investors waiting in the wings. So how much can you truly make as a real estate bird dog? As I mentioned before, the typical finder's fee for a property you uncover can range from $500 to over $1,000, and it all depends on how much time and effort you put into this venture. Imagine earning anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month with this side hustle. If you find just 5 properties in a month that investors close on, you're looking at an extra $5,000 or more in income. And the best part, the more you do this, the more your reputation grows and the more deals you'll be able to secure. Before you know it, you'll be making much more money and could even consider quitting your day job. Let's be real, this side hustle may not be the highest paying option out there, but it's certainly profitable. You don't need a college degree and you have the potential to turn it into a full-time gig. In recent years, the popularity of bed-in-a-box mattresses like Casper, Nectar, and Purple has skyrocketed, with online sales rising by a staggering 106% over the past 3 years. And here's something that might surprise you. Many of these mattress companies have super generous return policies, which means customers can even return mattresses after sleeping on them for weeks. So what happens to all those return mattresses? They aren't just folded back up and resold as new, and they're not just thrown away. That's where mattress flipping comes in. Have you heard of it? You can pick up these unsold mattresses and resell them for a profit by subscribing as a representative for a specific business, which we'll discuss in a moment. You could easily earn between $8,000 and $10,000 per month doing this with the right approach. You don't need any prior expertise or education to start this side hustle. All you need is a pickup truck or maybe a small trailer to transport the mattresses. And if you don't have a big pickup truck, don't worry. Chances are your current car has a towing capacity of up to 3,700 pounds. That's enough to transport 50 or more mattresses. So even if you don't have a large vehicle, this side hustle is still within your reach. Here's what you need to do next. Head over to sharetown.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click Become a Rep. Fill out your application with your personal information, such as your name, address, and make sure to confirm that you're over 18 and have no previous DUIs. Enter your vehicle information, and make sure it's capable of hauling heavy mattresses. You're ready to go once you submit your application. As a ShareTown representative, you will receive notifications when mattresses are picked up nearby. But what do you do with these mattresses once you have them? Let's say you picked up a Casper mattress that was returned because the customer didn't like the way it felt after sleeping on it for a few weeks. Clean it up, take some pictures with your phone, and list it on platforms like like OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or anywhere else you think it'll sell. The earnings potential is impressive. On average, a mattress can sell for anywhere between $500 to $800 or more, giving you a tidy profit of $200 to $400 per mattress. Many ShareTown reps have reported earning up to $8,000 or more per month. This has allowed them to quit their day job and make over 6 figures per year. With the global mattress market projected to grow from $35 billion in 2021 to $43 billion in 2024, the demand for mattress flipping is only set to increase. In conclusion, this is a fantastic side hustle opportunity that requires no college degree and has the potential to replace your day job. We all turn to the internet to seek answers to our questions. In fact, there's a constant flow of 63,000 searches per second. That's where Just Answer comes in, connecting people to experts in various fields. You'll find categories ranging from legal to pet care and beyond. By becoming an expert on Just Answer, you can start earning money. When someone has a question they need an answer to, they'll pay a fee to ask it on the website, anywhere from $5 to over $100 per question. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would someone pay to ask a question when they can search for free on sites like Google or YouTube? The answer is simple. Many individuals prefer to hear responses from real experts rather than from arbitrary online strangers. To get started, go to justanswer.com and simply head over to the Experts section, and you'll be taken to a quick application process. Fill out your personal information, and if you're in a field that requires certifications or licenses, now's the time to let us know. Not every category requires special credentials, but if they do, don't worry, they'll verify your account in no time. Now let's talk money. How much can you expect to earn as an expert on justanswer.com? The sky's the limit. People are making anywhere from a couple thousand to $7,000 or more each month by answering questions. Of course, the more questions you answer, the more you'll earn. There's no reason you can't make several $1,000s a month if you put your all into it and answer questions every day. In fact, I found some experts who are making over $25,000 per month. For example, one ex-mechanic answers questions during his lunch hour and earns $20 per answer, and he's answering around 300 questions a week. The beauty of this side hustle is that with more and more people turning to the internet for answers, the demand for knowledgeable experts is only growing. This is a legit way to make money online and could even lead to replacing your day job. However, it's important to note that not everyone has specialized knowledge in a certain field, so this side hustle may not be for everyone. Gone are the days where you had to shell out tens of thousands of dollars for aerial shots for movies, TV shows, or photography. Now, with advancements in technology, you can get your hands on a drone for as little as $300 to $500. That's right, the DJI drones produce images that are just as stunning as those captured by a helicopter. And if you're looking for something even fancier, you can certainly spend more. Aerial photography and videography has never been more accessible or in demand. In fact, you can even find used drones on eBay for just $300. Real estate photographers, videographers, stock image sellers, couples for photo shoots, and commercial businesses are all in need of these stunning aerial shots. And it doesn't stop there. Building inspectors can get a bird's eye view during inspections, events like concerts and sporting events can capture breathtaking aerial shots, and farmers can even monitor their livestock and crops from above. The possibilities are truly endless with a drone, and so are the earning opportunities. Whether you're looking to start a business and hire a team, or simply looking to earn some extra cash on the side, the only limitation is your time. Real estate, for example, is just one of the many fields where drone usage has taken flight. By utilizing a drone, you can offer your clients exterior photo services for around $150 to $250. But that's just the beginning. By offering an upsell, such as a beautifully edited video tour of the property, you can increase your earnings to around $400. Adding in a stabilized smartphone video of the interior of the property can earn you an additional $150, bringing your total earnings for just 1 hour of work to a whopping $900. As you build your client list and gain more experience, the demand for your services will only increase. Whether the real estate market is booming or struggling, people will always be eager to make their property stand out with professional photos and videos. And when it comes to making a property look good, photos and videos are crucial. With 2 jobs per week, you could earn an extra $7,200 per month or a staggering $86,000 per year. However, it's important to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. That's why it's recommended to open a dedicated business bank account as soon as you start your drone photography side business. Are you ready to dive into the lucrative world of dumpster rental? With the industry valued at over $500 million and only expected to grow, now is the perfect time to start your own side hustle. I want you to imagine for a second that you can capture even just a small fraction of this growth, right? And make upwards of $20,000 or more per month without ever going to college or having any experience. As construction and remodeling projects continue to rise, the demand for dumpster rentals will only increase. Of course, starting a side hustle like this will require a small investment for equipment, but the return on investment will be well worth it. So, how does dumpster rental work? Both construction companies and homeowners need a convenient solution to dispose of waste during their projects. Renting out dumpsters is often the preferred choice, and with your own equipment, you'll be able to provide them with the solution they need and make a profit while doing it. The customer schedules a dumpster, it gets dropped off at their location, they fill it with trash, and then the dumpster rental company picks it up and disposes of it properly. It's important to consider how you'll dispose of the garbage, which is usually as straightforward as dropping it off at your local landfill. They typically charge between $20 to $50 per ton of trash. So, what are the upfront costs associated with this side hustle? First and foremost, you'll need a dumpster. A used dumpster can range from $1,000 to $3,000, but 1 week of renting it out will easily cover the cost. The bigger investment will be in a roll-off truck or trailer, which can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000. Don't let the price tag discourage you, as there are many options for financing such as bank or business loans, government grants, crowdfunding, or even loans from friends, family, or partners. Trust me, this side hustle is highly lucrative and you'll be able to pay off that loan in no time. For example, the average cost to rent a dumpster depends on its size and the length of the rental, but it typically ranges from $300 to $1,200. It's easy to scale up this side hustle. You can start with just one roll-off trailer, and as you start making more money, invest in more trailers and rent out as many dumpsters as possible, working for you 24/7. Just think of having 10 dumpsters that pay you $10,000 every 5 days. That's almost $60,000 a month. So, while dumpster rental may require an investment, based on its profitability and the fact that a college degree is not required, this is a fantastic side hustle to get started making tens of thousands of dollars doing. Since we're on the subject of trash, let's dive into another lucrative side hustle opportunity. And I'm not kidding when I say that you could be earning life-changing money with this one. We're talking the potential to earn up to $1,000 or more per hour. It may sound too good to be true, but I was skeptical too until I did some research and found some surprising information. Here's the deal. You'll be removing unwanted items from people's properties. This can include everything from boxes of old books and furniture to cars or even farm equipment. And you don't need much to get started. To start your own junk removal side hustle, you'll only need a car, truck, or van. The latter two are more preferable for more storage space. And don't let anyone tell you that you can't start a junk removal company with just a car. Have you ever heard of College Hunks Junk Removal? Well, let me tell you the story of how this company started and how you can follow in their footsteps. It all started with a young man who was just 21 years old. He discovered that clients who were receiving new furniture were prepared to pay to have their old furniture removed because his mom operated a furniture company. He seized the opportunity and started using his mom's van to pick up the old furniture for free. And look where it got him. 20 years later, College Hunks has become one of the top 5 best junk removal companies in the US, with over a dozen corporate employees and 10 million satisfied customers. All you need to get started is to start advertising your business for free on platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and other social media platforms, and even create flyers with Canva to pass out to neighbors and local businesses. Now, how much you can earn with junk removal depends on the size of each job, but the average fee ranges from $150 to $275 per job. If you only did 3 jobs a day and 5 days a week, that's over $3,000 in a week, or potentially even closer to $4,000 if you work on the weekends. Plus, you can turn your hard work into even more cash by selling some of the items you collect. As your business grows, make sure to check if you need any special licenses or certificates, like a waste carrier's license or a CDL for larger trucks. Are you a talented wordsmith or willing to become one? Then this next side hustle has the potential to earn you up to $200 per hour right from your home, no college degree required. Amazon is the go-to destination for online shopping, attracting over 2 billion visitors in the US alone each month and accounting for nearly half of all e-commerce sales. With so many products being sold on Amazon, it's crucial that they have well-written product descriptions to entice potential customers. The goal of an Amazon copywriter is to craft product descriptions that make customers feel like the product is a solution to their problem. By tapping into the emotions that come with making a purchase, a great copywriter can help sell the product. It's no wonder why companies are willing to pay top dollar for such a skill, as the writing can make all the difference between a product selling or not. To get started, search for Amazon copywriting opportunities on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Keep in mind, it may take some time to establish your profile and gain positive reviews on these platforms. You may have to take lower paying jobs at first to build up your reputation, but the reward is worth it. Once you've established yourself and have a solid client base, you can expect to earn a generous $200 per hour on average. Imagine earning that amount year-round. That's an impressive annual salary of over $300,000 without the need for a college degree. Considering that anyone can learn the skills of copywriting for free and the potential earnings of over 6 figures, I would consider this to be the best and most lucrative side hustle anyone can get started with. Have you taken advantage of the incredible offer from Webull yet? By simply depositing just 1 penny, you could receive 12 free stocks worth up to $30,600. Please don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Click the link in the description to start your journey to financial prosperity. I just want to take a moment to say thank you for your continued support. Your presence here means the world to me, and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you have a fantastic day or night ahead. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Now for this next video, I want to show you 8 proven money tips for young adults to become millionaires, so click this video to check that out.